guys, so this is going to be a short video, but I'm going to do a room tour. So we have a Dream Big, some stickers, a poster with my name on it, and my cat trying to get in, so let's come on in. Okay, so right up in here we have my lights, a Nerf gun, some games and books, my Japanese art calendar that I still need to put up, section dog, and here is my wonderful TV, and here are my movies that go with it. Here's my Lego basket, pretty much my toys. And this is Banana Joe, who guards my safe, definition to Misato, my Zen garden, and a clock. Sorry the lighting and audio is probably horrible, but you know, I can't afford a camera yet, so still working on my phone. And here is a picture, some Legos, my outer space light, you can't really see it, but hi Sophie, that's my cat. And here's my nature area. Since I can't always be in nature, I have some things that remind me of it. Here's a play poster, play that I went in. My plushie crate, most of them I won from claw machines. My Harry Potter shrine, which has 2 basketballs in it, and some other stuff. And this is basically my reading nook. And this is my Invader Zim. Here, I'll turn on my light. Hold on. And it's not working. I think the bulb was burned out the last time I tried it. That's Moby Dick, my giant teddy bear. But that is indeed Invader Zim. I'll turn on the regular lights so that you can see it. My Invader Zim, my old calendar, and my 2 ukuleles, my beanbag, and my chair. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off those lights. And this is my bed. That's my name. There are my 2 squishies back there. Can't really see them, but they're there. And here we have heat blanket, decorative blanket, main fluffy blanket, all my pillows, and yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna try and turn around and see if you can see me. So thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna jump on my bed. Whoop! Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to watch every video. And